Welcome to Trivia Quiz Challenge. Have fun with our quiz. Please subscribe for more. Can you recognize a country flag hidden inside real-life photos? We have 30 photo flag puzzles. Think you can score 30 out of 30? Look at this photo. Do the stripes feel Mediterranean to you? Yes, it's Greece. Its 9 stripes are said to represent the syllables of the phrase freedom or death. Tulips planted in neat rows. Recognize the colors? Right, the Netherlands. The Dutch tricolor is the oldest of its kind still in continuous use. Look up at this southern night sky. Notice the constellation? Correct, it's Australia. The small stars on its flag form the Southern Cross. A quiet Scandinavian lake from above. Spot the cross shape? Yes, Sweden. Its yellow cross design is more than 500 years old. A glowing red fishing village along the fjord. Which country comes to mind? It's Norway. The Norwegian flag actually hides the flags of Denmark, Sweden, France, and the Netherlands inside it. Bonus round. Guess this country from these 2 emojis. It's Jamaica. Jamaica's is the only national flag in the world without red, white, or blue. A red farmhouse with a crisp white cross of trim. Recognize the design? Yes, Denmark. The Danish flag is officially the oldest national flag still in use today. Look at this sweeping landscape. Did you spot the Y shape? Correct, South Africa. The Y stands for the coming together of all its people into one nation. Look at this frosted pattern. Which flag matches? It's Israel. The Star of David has been a symbol of Judaism for centuries. A green palm grove with Arabic calligraphy nearby. Any guesses? Yes, Saudi Arabia. The sword on its flag stands for justice and the strength of the state. Tropical stripes catch your eye on this street. Which flag? It's Thailand. The blue stripe represents the monarchy joined with the people and the religion. Red dragon fruit with a yellow star inside. You probably guessed already. It's Vietnam. The yellow star stands for the unity of workers, farmers, soldiers, intellectuals, and youth. Bonus round. Which one is the correct Indonesia flag? Yes, the one with red on top and white below. Its red and white have symbolized courage and purity since the Majapahit Empire. A tropical sunset with 3 small stars. Recognize it? It's the Philippines. The Philippine flag is famously flipped upside down whenever the country is at war. A red and white city skyline under a crescent moon. Which country? Singapore. Its 5 stars stand for democracy, peace, progress, justice, and equality. Looks a lot like the Texas flag, but it's a country. Right, Chile. Its single white star represents the country's path toward honor and progress. Yellow flowers under a deep blue Andean sky. Which flag does this remind you of? Correct, Colombia. The wide yellow band stands for the country's gold and natural riches. A market full of red and white peppers. You got this one? Yes, Peru! Legend says the colors come from the red and white flamingos that inspired its liberator. Look closely. There's a shield in this safari scene. It's Kenya. The shield and crossed spears honor Kenya's defense of freedom. Landmark bonus. Recognize this famous tower. France. The French tricolor inspired the flag designs of dozens of countries around the world. A red lantern with a green star at its heart. Which flag? Morocco. The five-pointed star is called the Seal of Solomon and represents the 5 pillars of Islam. A green soccer pitch with crisp white center lines. Did you spot it? Nigeria. Its flag was designed by a student in a national contest back in 1959. Auroras over a glacier. Which country? Iceland. The flag's colors represent its volcanoes, glaciers, and the surrounding sea. Red rooftops and a white street of snow. Recognize it? Austria. The Austrian flag is one of the oldest in the world, going back to the 13th century. A market full of red peppers, white onions, and green herbs. Yes, Hungary. Its red, white, and green stand for strength, faithfulness, and hope. Look at this view of Prague. It's the Czech Republic. The blue triangle was added to set its flag apart from Poland's. A close-up of red and white checkered rooftops. You got this one. Croatia. The red and white checkerboard, called the Shahovnica, dates back to the 10th century. Sunflower fields under a deep blue sky. Which flag comes to mind? Romania. Romania's flag is nearly identical to Chad's, sparking decades of friendly debate. Desert sands and ancient stones. Recognize the colors? Egypt. The golden eagle of Saladin in the center is a powerful symbol of Arab nationalism. One tall tree stands alone on a snowy slope. Which flag? Lebanon. The cedar tree has been the national symbol of Lebanon for over 4,000 years. How many did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments. If you enjoyed today's challenge, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.